Hi, it's me again with Corel Roll Tips and Tricks. I did a video about like finding all the black squares, and I did it inside Corel, and Corel will do it. But eCuts from Monster Macro simplifies it, makes it a lot easier. So what we're going to do, we want to get rid of the black fill. We're going to open up this flyout right here and search. And I'm going to click on a black square, and I'm going to set the master shape. I'm going to search for all the size, so I need to take all these and search same fill, and then hit delete. And it got rid of all the black ones. I could have done that with any color. I could have searched the outline. Search same would basically be the same thing. Now, the other thing inside of this same flyout is set size. So we can pick all these, and they are 2-inch, but we can make them all whatever size we want and just update the size. And now each of them is 1.7 size boxes. So look at that again, from 2-inch in all the, you cannot do this inside of Corel. You cannot make every box the same. And I can make them, whoop, I closed it up. You can make them any size you want. Set, and you could, you could do that. You could update only, if the width is, let's put it back to 1.7. Now let's change, and we want to make them 2 inches tall. We could update only the height. I need to select them all. Update only the height, and now they're 2 by 1.7. You could do the width, or do the, the width or the height or the whole thing. So let's put them back to, let's go backwards where they're both, what size square are they right now? 1.7. Let's make them both 2 inches, update size. But you need to, so you could do this. I only want that many of them to be 2 inches. The rest of them I want the same. Pretty cool macro. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.